Hello friends, Nick Armour here. I'm an attorney practicing in Texas, California, Colorado, and Washington, D.C. And today I actually want to talk to you about a serious topic, even somber topic, and it's something I honestly even hesitated addressing, but I want to address important legal issues, and part of that is addressing legal issues when they're topical and when they're a large part of public conversation. And that's why I wanted to address this. And specifically, I'm referring to the tragic school shooting in Uvalde, Texas. And specifically, the focus now is turned to the law enforcement response. That's a big part of the conversation going on. And so it brings up the question, what is the government duty to protect? I grew up in Los Angeles, so LAPD motto is to protect and serve. But is there actually a legal duty to protect you? And it might be shocking, certainly unfortunate, but the reality is actually the government, Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled that the government has no duty to protect you. So if you are in an emergency situation and so let's say someone's committing a violent crime against you and you call law enforcement and they show up, but they fail to help you in some way. They just, let's say they just watch, terrible scenario to imagine. But technically they have no duty to do so. And so by failing to provide you with protection, they have not violated any duty, and technically there's no liability. And that's the case. The only time this really changes is if you're in government custody. And you might also be surprised to know that they don't actually consider being in school being in government custody. They really only interpret that as situations where you have lost all freedom to leave. So let's say like you're in a correctional facility, right? Or you've been arrested, then you would be in government custody and they have a duty to protect you. But in school or in most other situations, that's just not the case.